In this shoe custom episode, we have Goonies Never Say Die. What's up, YouTube? This is Orlando, and in this project, we have a custom designed by Sammybee Customs. The shoe, a slip-on Vans. The design, everyone's favorite, well, mine, the Goonies. Let's check this out. Right off the bat, we have two characters that are famous for the Goonies movie. If you haven't seen it, you haven't checked it out, make sure you watch it. Now, we have Sloth with the Superman shirt, and then we have Chuck. Two great characters, both with an iconic look from the movie. Let's check this out. So, it's a portrait painting, beautiful, love the color tones, love the highlights, you just go through this thing. It's a portrait painting, that's it. So, I really don't have much to say, but the technique, the design, the artwork, the execution is amazing. The colors, you can already look at Chuck and you can see, those tones, Sloth, Superman, just look at that. It's like watercolors, but just, I can't give you enough credit. This is great. On the sides, you can kind of see that we have Baby Ruth. That was the candy that was used to connect these two together in the movie. And then on the back, on the heels, we got Chuck written out. Looks like it's ice cream because he loves the ice cream in the movie. And then Sloth with that Baby Ruth concept and design. Can't say enough. This Goonies Vans custom by Sammybee Custom. Beautiful. Great job. Well, that's it. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. And please comment below and let us know what you thought about these kicks. Thanks as always, and see you in our next video on The Wall of Hype.